Yeah, welcome back to Fix and End channel. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to post your TikTok videos. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Looking here on the screen is the homepage of my TikTok app. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button right there. If you click on that like this, you are going to be allowed to record a video. So looking here, you can see 10 minutes, you can see 60 seconds, you can see 15 minutes. So you just need to select any one you want and press and hold the record button, and you'll be able to record your TikTok video. So once you're done recording your TikTok video, looking here, you can see the good icon. You need to go ahead and click on it like this. And you're going to be able to see the next button. Now meanwhile, at the left corner of your screen, you can see different edit options you can actually use in order to edit your videos. You can see the edit, you can see text, you can see sticker, effects, filters. So you just need to go ahead and apply the effects or text or whichever editing style you want to use for your video. Then go ahead and click on the next button at the bottom of your screen. So right here, you need to go ahead and add your title and then go ahead and click on post. But looking right here, if you go back to the screen, let's go ahead and discard this. Right here as well on the screen, you can simply go ahead and click on the gallery option at the bottom left corner of your screen. If you click on that, you'll be able to select a video from your gallery. So let's say you click on any of the video right here and click on next. You'd be able to post this video on TikTok by clicking on next like this. After adding the sound that you want to add, if this picture, you can also add the sound that you want for the picture. Then come right here and add your title and hashtag. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the post button. But before that, looking right here, you can see where it says everyone can view this post. So you need to go ahead and select that. If you want the post to be visible to everyone, you need to go ahead and select everyone. If you want it to be just for friends, go ahead and select friends. If you want it to be for subscribers or for only you, you just need to select the option you want for your own privacy. So after doing that, looking here as well, you can see where it says more option. Clicking on that like this, you need to go ahead and allow this place here where it says high quality upload. You need to make sure that this toggle is turned on like this, so that your upload is going to have a high quality once you post them on TikTok. So clicking on the cancel button right here. So once you're done with setting up all this, you need to come right here and click on I accept the music usage confirmation, and then go ahead and click on post, and it is going to be posted to your page on TikTok. So this is how simple it is to post your videos the right way on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on this Fix and End channel. See you in the next one.